Approvals are one of the most powerful features in Smartsheet's file library. Let's say you're wrapping up creative assets for a social campaign and need sign-off from your marketing lead. Approvals streamline the review so you can keep things moving without all the back and forth. Let's start by finding File Library. Select your campaign roadmap sheet, located inside your social media campaign workspace. In the Workspace panel, you'll see File Library listed. This is where you'll manage your campaign files. Inside of File Library, select the file you want reviewed, maybe a promotional brochure or campaign brief. From there, select the Approvals tab. Then, request approval to set up a new approval request. Next, add your approvers. Just start typing their names or emails, then select the checkbox. If they don't already have access, Smartsheet will prompt you to share the file. You can give them access to just this file or the entire workspace, depending on what makes sense for your team. To keep things on track, you can also set a due date. Add a subject line, and include a message to give approvers any context about the file. When you're ready, select Create. Your approvers will get an email and a Smartsheet notification prompting them to review the file. If you created the request, you'll be notified when someone submits a decision, and anyone with access to the file or workspace can view the status in the Approvals tab. Approvers can change their decisions if needed, and if they require changes, they have a text box to provide specific feedback. Whether you are getting final sign-off on campaign files or coordinating document updates across your team, File Library gives you an easy way to manage file reviews. Check out Approvals today or learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center. Thanks for watching.